Are you wondering if USAA is truly living up to their reputation and treating you fairly? This video will empower you to navigate your USAA products and services, ensuring you're in the driver's seat when it comes to your finances. Let's get started. Step 1. Review your policies. Log into your USAA account and carefully examine all your insurance policies, banking agreements, and investment details. Pay close attention to coverage limits, deductibles, and the fine print. Are you getting the protection you expect? Next, understand the fees. USAA, like any financial institution, has fees. Scrutinize your monthly statements, checking for things like maintenance fees, ATM fees, or unexpected charges. Are these fees reasonable and transparent? Compare them to what you agreed on. Now, how do you communicate concerns? If you find anything amiss, contact USAA immediately. Start by calling their customer service line. Be clear, concise, and document all communications dates, times, and representatives' names. If the issue isn't resolved, escalate your concern to a higher level. Staying informed is your best defense. Regularly check your accounts, read your policy documents, and actively manage your relationship with USAA. By taking these steps, you can safeguard your financial well-being and ensure you're getting the fair treatment you deserve.